guys, I'm Dr. Monica O'Hara. Welcome to another episode of Dear Derm. Today we're going to talk all about hair care, from your scalp to your tresses to damage. We're going to cover it all. I'm so excited to have a special guest, celebrity hairstylist, Matthew Collins.
Hey guys, my name is Matthew Collins and I'm a Canadian-born hairstylist currently living in Los Angeles, focusing on celebrity red carpet and press events.
So here's how it's going to go down. We have videos from women with different hair types, and me and Matthew, we're going to give them a little feedback. We're going to tell them the best way to take care of their hair, from products to tools.
There's two main factors that really damage your hair. There's mechanical damage, so overuse of hot tools and extreme heat damage. And the second would be chemical damage. So a large amount of bleaching or dyeing or changing your hair too frequently. Those are two really main things that are going to put your hair into a bad state. We've talked about hair and scalp health a little bit, but let's dive in to our first viewer's video and find out a little bit more about her hair and scalp journey.
Hi, Dr. Gohara. My name is Kara and I have 4C hair. I've been natural for about 6 years and I really don't know what I'm doing with my hair still. I've really relied on protective styles, so either braids or waves, kind of back to back since I went natural. It's really just been in the last month that I've been like, okay, I'm so sick of putting on wigs just to get on Zoom calls. So I've sort of kind of figured out a style that works for me for my everyday, which are these two twists. Still involves some heat because, again, not good at doing natural hair. So what I do is wash and condition my hair and then I blow it out using the Briogeo Farewell Frizz blowout cream. And then I add an oil to my hair. So I'm either using the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend, or I'm using the hair gloss from Brand Beauty Supply. Both just smell really good and add a ton of moisture. Love them a lot. And then to pay a little extra attention to my edges and my part, I'll go in with the Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey. Put that in and then brush it all through with my Demon brush. Throw these two twists in and attach them, secure them in the back with two bobby pins. When my hair is not in this style, it is under a wig. So when I do that, I take about this much of my hair out from the top and then around the perimeter, maybe just like a centimeter's worth of hair, straighten that, put the rest of my hair into two twists just like this, throw my wig cap on and throw my wig on top. With that heat styling though, if I'm doing it say every day for about a week, I will notice that my scalp will flake up. So if you both could let me know how I can maintain my love affair with heat styling, but also still make sure my hair and my scalp are getting the care, attention, and moisture that they need, that would be lovely. Thank you so much.
You and your hair are absolutely gorgeous, so you're obviously doing something right. I love that you use oils. If there's one place on skin where oils really make a difference, it's the scalp. But maybe cut down other few steps just so there's less buildup. Sometimes putting too much stuff in our hair can actually lead to buildup and make more dryness. The heat is contributing to that. Think about the fact that when we are talking about taking hot showers, it leaves our skin dry. It's the same thing with putting too much heat on your scalp. It leads to really dry skin. Wear your hair however you want to wear your hair, but just use the right heat devices.
To do the wig work that you do and to just hear you talk about hair, you're a very knowledgeable person when it comes to your hair. So I think that we can even take that a little bit further. With 4C hair, it can tend to really get brittle and damaged much quicker. The actual hair shaft is much finer than some other hair. So we need to be very careful and gentle with it. And for that, to me, the supersonic and the diffuser attachment is amazing. Because the diffuser is so short and the airflow is so controlled, you're gonna be getting a much more controlled and really distinguished curl pattern as you start to work through that. If you are frustrated with your edges in something like that, what I actually do suggest is the Dyson Supersonic has the wide tooth comb attachment. You can just rake this back just a little bit just an inch or so, which is gonna help to just control these without having to break up the curl all the way through. What I tend to like to do is put it on high heat, low power, and slowly move it back a little bit and keep my finger on the cool shot. And once I do that, I then put on the cool shot, and it's bringing the direction back and the cool shot setting it.
Hi Dr. Mona, hi Matthew. I'm beauty and fitness editor Zoe Weiner, and I'm hoping you can help me with this situation that's going on top of my head. I obviously have naturally wavy, curly type hair, and I've noticed that recently my curl pattern is not doing what I want it to. I've been highlighting my hair since I was 14, and I won't tell you how many years it's been since then, but it's been a lot of years of getting color on here. And I also have found that during the pandemic, because I don't love what my hair looks like air dried, I've been heat styling a lot more. So the result has been a whole lot of dryness going on up here. I wash twice a week, so I feel like that's pretty good. My hair doesn't get super greasy. I try to stay away from dry shampoo, and when I use it, I just will spray it on a brush and brush it through. When I get out of the shower, I use this R&Co Blue Moisturizing Serum. It's a styling serum, it's hydrating. I will end things up with this Oribe hair oil, especially on my ends. Sometimes I'll do a hair mask if I can find one in my beauty collection, but honestly, probably not as frequently as I should. And that's about it, I think. Thanks, guys.
I love the fact that you're just kind of taking an extra step with hydration and serums. Again, what we would do with our skin. I think that that's actually a really good step. The frequency of hair washing has been an ongoing question, and obviously there is no answer. People have a tendency to wash their hair when they want to switch up a style, when they may notice a little itch, when they may feel that their hair is a little bit oily. I tell my patients to kind of follow the cues of how you're feeling both emotionally and physically about the way your hair is and looks.
I love hearing that from you and your expertise. I was just like fascinated. I'm kind of the same. Will try to generally push my clients to go a little bit longer, because so many people are every single day. So it's just like, just go a little bit longer, because most of the time, if they're air drying their hair, I don't mind. But most of the time they are applying hot tools to their hair every single day when they wash it. So that to me would be the reason why to let it go as long as possible.
Hi Dr. Mona, my name's Sonia, I'm 24, I live in New York, and my hair is wavy. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still a bit wet. I usually shower in the mornings and probably wash my hair a bit more than I should, about 4 to 5 times a week, which I know isn't recommended, but if I don't, then my hair, when I wake up, is just, it's moody. Sometimes it's frizzy, sometimes it sticks up at odd angles, but a lot of times that does mean that I heat style my hair. Usually I wait for it to air dry, then I straighten and then curl it, which I know is a lot of heat. So I guess what I'm asking for your help with is finding a way to make this manageable without having to use a flat iron than a curling iron most days.
I think that she hit the nail on the head with everybody, like her hair is moody. We're all moody, girl.
You have that kind of great medium texture of hair that can be easily manipulated on both spectrums, but it just takes a little bit more work. Right away, the thing that really kind of made me cringe a little bit is that you flat iron your hair and then you curl it. That is like 2 separate steps that should never be in the same scenario. You're flat ironing it first is removing the elasticity of the hair, then you're curling it, but because you remove the elasticity before you curled it, all the curls are gonna fall out. I guarantee if you take out that flat iron step, followed by the curling iron step, and switch it and introduce something like the Dyson Airwrap, you're gonna be dropping the damage that you're doing to your hair. It's a technological genius tool. It blows the air out of these curved surfaces so quickly that it actually wraps the hair around it. This is the same as the blow dryer with heat coming out. This heat does not exceed past the burning temperature of hair and is actually well below that. And there's a microbead thermistor right here that's measuring the heat propulsion at 40 times a second coming out. So no matter what's happening, it's adjusting to make sure that it doesn't burn your hair.
So I love the Dyson products because you're able to get a good style with not extreme heat. Hair health means science, which means the products, the tools, and the approach you take to actually taking care of your hair. But besides science, I think that hair health is really all about loving who you are, what your hair looks like, and what Mother Nature gave you. I think we all just have to be transparent about the fact that it's like confusing. You have these beauty standards that you're acclimating to as a young person, and now it's like there's nothing more that I want than to appreciate my ethnicity, my hair, my body, my skin. I mean, it's like, it is a journey. Now I have understanding of how to take care of my hair. So regardless of what I wanna do, whether I wanna wear my hair curly or straight or wavy or up or down, whatever I wanna do, I have science behind me, I have knowledge behind me, and I have self-love behind me so that I can do it and make my hair care the best possible thing for me. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good, and we want to give a huge thank you to our special guest, Matthew.
Thanks, Mona. You're fantastic. I enjoyed today so much and learned so much from you. I can't wait to share all the knowledge that I got from you today with so many of my clients.